guys, this is Jacob from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, and today I want to show you the NauticStar 227 XTS. The XTS version is their bay style model line. The bay boats offer inshore fishing as well as minimal offshore capabilities. That way you still have the option of going outside the pass and catching the group snap as well. The NauticStar bay lines, they come with a stepped hull. As we move forward to the back of the boat, you can see that this one is paired with the new Yamaha SHO VMAX. They redid the cowling design on this outboard motor and it looks phenomenal. It's very impressive looking. We joke around the showroom saying it looks very similar to the Ironman helmet, so now we've kind of nicknamed it the Ironman motor of Yamaha. Now that we talked about it on the outside, let's get up in there. Let me show you some more. And now that we're aboard the 227, just notice how much front casting deck space you have on this bay boat. This offers great for whenever you're out chasing tarpon, cobia, or if you're inshore just chasing reds and trouts. You have plenty of walk around space, much real estate up here, enough for two big boats to stand up here comfortably, use a trolling motor, and beat the flats and catch your fish. This one is paired with a fishing leaning post seat. Offers a lot of comfortability when you have those long hours out on the water fishing and you just need to give your knees a little bit of a break. You can sit down, take a little bit of a load off. On both sides, these are rod locking storage containers. These are excellent for trips. That way, if you want to put your rods, any other additional storage in there, you can lock them and you don't have to worry about people getting into them. These two boxes offer as fish boxes as well as additional storage units as well if you need to. There's the anchor compartment up at the front, and it's already pre-rigged for a trolling motor. All you need to do is just attach a trolling motor to it and then just connect it and you're good to go. In the center console, the front seat, it doubles as a live well or bait well. It's connected with the aerator system, so if you need to keep bait live throughout the day for your clients, if you're a guide fisher, or if you're just an avid fisher and you want to make sure that your bait is fresh, there is an aeration system that's connected to it to make sure that they don't die. And now we're at the center console of the boat, and this does have the tilt steering feature, has Lenco trim tabs, Simrad like electronic systems with the Yamaha view, Infinity radio with JL audio speakers, enough amps to be able to push out enough volume so when you're cruising, you're out of the island, you can have a lot of fun and party on. And this NauticStar has the deluxe leaning post upgraded seat. What it is the upgrade feature is it has the backrest as well as the fold down seating options. So if you need to have a little bit of backrest, fold this one up. Offers great support for when you're cruising and way to your next fishing spot or to the island. This one does come with a igloo cooler underneath the seats so you can store your drinks, non-alcoholic beverages if you're under 21. On the back side here, as you can see, that this is a huge back aft casting platform. But if you have a couple more family members or friends that come with you, I have this one lifted up for an example. You can see that these three fold down bench seats will pop up for seats for additional people to come with you. In the back side, we have a storage with a 5-gallon bucket. I've come to realize that 5-gallon bucket is one of the most versatile and usable tools on a boat. Again, this is paired with the Yamaha 250 SHO. If you want any more information about this boat, please contact me. Again, my name is Jacob Wright. I'm MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. My number is 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.